Hello everyone, today I'm going to present to you guys about tutorial how to use Class Dojo. I hope you will enjoy and understand it. Let's start. If you are new to Class Dojo, it is a classroom management tool where each student is assigned their own avatar and you can reward students points for different skills and values, and I will walk you through step by step how to set that all up. So the first thing you need to do is go to that Class Dojo website, create your teacher account with your school email, and then once you are in, it's time to create your class. So go ahead and click new class. Now you give your class a name. For now, we will just put 5 Science 1 and select your grade level. Okay, now it's time to add your students. You can add each student one by one, but I want to save some time, so I have found it to be easier. Just select import from Word. I have all of my students' names typed out on this Microsoft Word, so I'm just going to copy and paste all the students' names, and now they are all set with first name and last name. It looks good, so let's continue and save. And here is your class. So don't they just look adorable? This is the classroom homepage where you can easily select a student to reward their points, and each student is assigned their own little dojo avatar. Now stick around because I'm going to show you how you can customize this little monster in a bit. First, let's set up some groups. So if you have students in team table, you can click groups and then select the student you want in each group. You can give them their team name. Right now, I will just put number groups and click create group. I will repeat this until all of my groups are done. Now I can easily click on a group and reward the entire team a point. So this just makes it super easy rather than going in and selecting each student one by one. Now it's time to enter our skills, which is setting up the points that we are going to be giving our students. Go up to the top, click options, edit class, and then click skills. So these are the positive point choices to reward your students, and you can completely edit this to fit for your class. So right now, since I'm teaching remotely, I will include skills that we are working on, like using the chat box appropriately. So to do that, we will add skill, and then for now let's just write users chat box, and then they have a ton of image options. This one looks good. Click save. I will add another one this time, complete assignments. Now for this one, I will change the point value to 5 points and click save. Now over here is the needs work. If you want to take away points from your students, like if they are missing assignment or off task, you can edit those skills the exact same way. Now, say you want to reward multiple students for the same skills, select multiple down here at the bottom and select multiple students at a time. If you want to give everyone a point, you can click whole class point. You can also select multiple and then just select all students. This last piece of classroom management features I'm going to go over is the toolkit. So there's a lot of great tools to use. Some of my favorites are the timer. The random student selector is definitely the one I use the most. I also really like the group maker. You can select how many students you want in each group. Now back at the classroom homepage, you can also select attendance. I know we need to submit attendance to our school, but I do like to use the attendance option on here because if a student gone that day and I want to reward a class point, it will reward to only students who are there. Class story is another great way to build community and set reminders for families and keep just everyone in the loop about what's happening in the classroom. So you can insert links, attach PDF. This really is like the Instagram of Class Dojo. So to set up an event, you will just click event and then let's add a title. For now, let's do the 100 days celebration. I will set the date and the time, and then right in the description I can just add a little bit of information about the event, and I will change the picture and then select when I want parents to get the reminder. To add an activity, you will just click create activity, select what type of activity it is, write the directions and then assign it to the class. So for students to log in, there are a couple options depending if they are at home or in the classroom. So if they are in the classroom, they can enter the class code and select their name. And if they are at home, you can send the invites directly to their families. It's easy, right, to use Class Dojo? That's all from me. Thank you.